Hi everyone, good afternoon. So right now, we're here in Kamaman-an. So if you can see, guys, another project, housing project by Victor Subdivision. So grabe no, around in the city ra gyud siya. 10 minutes to Kugon or 5 minutes something kung dili lang gyud siya traffic. And then if you can see, land develop update na ta, nindot kaayo. So, kaning housing project guys is economy and socialized housing project here in Cagayan de Oro, Kamaman-an. At the same time by Victor Subdivision. So, PM me, call me 0906-914-1548 Joanne Yufinado. So, unsa na yung gihulat? A pasta before price increase. Bye!